evening. And first of all, I would like to thank Bharat Exhibition and Shashiji for giving us opportunity to once again associate. I've been associated with this event personally as well as a company for last four years in the row. And I believe this is one single platform which brings whole of industry together who are involved in smart city landscape. Moving on, but since we are talking about the smart city landscape, there are a lot of challenges which today's city administration faces in terms of smart mobility, unified mobility, the security, surveillance, and those kind of challenges which are faced by city administration. We have specific products and solutions which suits the city administration requirements of managing the smart traffic smartly from the viewpoint of surveillance, the smart ANPR cameras which are inbuilt engine, or the global shutter camera which is the need of the hour with the speed of the vehicles moving faster and faster. Still you need to capture all the details and attributes of the vehicle very clearly during day and night as well. That's where this technology of global shutter comes into picture. Apart from that, the overall solutions which are available in and around surveillance, be the face recognition system or the different violations in traffic or the waste management, those kind of challenges can be avoided with a lot of AI powered features which are built into the camera and the overall surveillance solution. And that's where we think we can play a role, a vital role in terms of helping the administration and take it long way and move forward year after year, mitigating all the challenges. Thank you once again, Bharat Exhibition, for giving us the opportunity.